If you're experiencing login issues with the National Bank of Kuwait and Switzerland, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing the bank's website or app. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email or phone number. Step 4. Clear browser cache or app data. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you are using the mobile app, try clearing the app data or reinstalling the app to resolve any potential glitches. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to the bank's customer support. They can provide assistance and help you troubleshoot any ongoing problems with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the bank.